Oh, the piece we did, 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 oh, the piece we did. Oh, the piece we did are your favourite.
Wait, so what's the time?
11:54. Better not be a pole. I mean, who would drop their pole off a live, boo?
Honestly.
Who would do that? Right, we're on our way back to get Olivia, hoping that she's got a 3-star badge. We call it 3-star gold because the stars are gold. But Alex told her that she needs to focus on her parallel turns, otherwise she's got it in the bag. She's very good on the flat. I question if that's skiing, if it's on the flat. Do you know what I mean?
So what is that?
Flocon, which is snowflake. Well, then you've got Awesome, which is the teddy bear. Flocon.
There's teddy bear, there's a
Pew
wolf
Pew.
thing. So those are like the little ones, there's like animal ones. Then 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, bronze star, silver star, gold star.
Yeah, I reckon she would have done it. If she hasn't done it, I'll definitely just put her straight in bronze star next year. Lift, don't stop, we don't have time for this. We don't have time for this.
No, it's not going to take it down.
It's going to take us 15 minutes to get on the Garat lift, I'll tell you that much. Should do it, should be fine. We're cutting it fine, but we're getting in as much skiing as we possibly can because today might be the last day on the snow. But I think tomorrow it's going to be cloudy and maybe a little bit of rain. Right, anyway, let's go and get Olivia and hopefully let's cut to a scene where she's holding up a badge with 3 stars on it. Go on, Liv.
Why did you lift up so early?
Is that early? Anticipate your return. Don't be late to pick up your children from ski school, is what that means. 2 minutes! We've got 2 minutes to make it! 2 minutes! 2 minutes! Is Liv going to be smiling? Oh, someone's there.
Perfect!
You did it! Oh, well done.
She's a little bit nervous where it's bumpy or where the snow is a little bit soft, but this morning we did all the exercise for the star and she passed the whole.
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget just your position and particularly the gap between your skis. If she's nervous, she apart a little bit too much, but
Okay.
natural position.
Amazing.
I wish you a good enough holiday. We hope to see you next year.
Good job. Yeah, look at that, 12:15. Man, but we want to say super well done to Olivia. You got her what badge? What did you get?
3-star.
3-star. Anything else you want to add? No, just having. We just had lunch in front of Mont Blanc, which is over there.
Well done, Liv, we're so proud of you.
And we can recommend the Desert Blanc burger. It's gone.
And the mixed grill.
Right, should we go and see what you can do on the slope then?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shows you parallel turns at speed in your hard stops.